Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
How are you all?
Fine, sir.
Fine. Okay, very good. So today a new topic will study. What is that? Block over block. Okay. Or basically two blocks are there. A two block system is there, and one friction is there also between the blocks. And we'll try to identify so many things like they'll move together, or if you're applying a force, or they'll move separately, like that type of things we'll discuss here. Okay. So write heading today, new heading. Write everyone. Block over block or two block system in friction. Okay. So write heading. Now come to the topic here. So this concept will try to understand in terms of question. Okay. So first one question is taken. What is the question here? Now one A block is there, another is B block is there. For A block mass is MA. For B block mass is how much? MB. And here one force is applied. One force is applied on B block. That is basically what? F, capital F, capital F. And this is smooth surface is there, and between A and B. Remember, between A and B there is a friction, that is mu. Coefficient of friction is given mu. So between A and B surface is basically smooth surface. Okay. Now what they are asking here, find the maximum value of applied force such that both the blocks will move together. Okay, both the blocks will move together. How much force, maximum force you need. Okay. Now all of you listen. Here answer right. So what we can do first, both the objects are moving together. Both the objects are moving together means their acceleration will be same, common acceleration A. So that one I want to try to understand how. Now first I want to do free body diagram. I want to do free body diagram of A, and also I want to do free body diagram of B. So this A object is like this. A mass is MA. Yes or no? Can you say any applied force is there on a MA? No, right? No applied force. Applied force is on B only. But if you both are moving together, A also moving together with B, right? So there will be definitely some force should be there which will act in the rightward direction for A. Then only it can move together now. So what will be that force? Now that force is basically friction. What force basically? Friction. So here frictional force is there which is helping the motion here for a mass A. Because this force is directly in contact with the B. But we are telling all moving together. All moving together. So that's why what we'll consider here, MA is moving with a force F, which is basically friction. So friction is making this block to move. So F I am giving in this forward direction for A. And you know your vertically will be normal reaction, your vertical down will be MAG will be there. Okay. And next, here acceleration if you will check, what will be the acceleration? Now definitely acceleration will be in this direction. I am taking that one A. What I am taking that one? A. A is basically what? Acceleration. Common acceleration basically that one you can consider. Let A is basically common acceleration. Common acceleration of the objects or system, common acceleration. Now here similarly for B object if I will do, suppose I am doing for object B. Now everyone listen, here B is there, mass is MB, one applied force in this direction F. Now for B, how the friction will act you say? For B, how the friction will act? Friction between this and this, actually if this is moving in this direction, definitely for this one friction will act in this direction. Okay, yes or no? So for B, friction is acting opposite direction. Now next what we'll do, normal reaction you check, here normal reaction you can put N and MB, that is not required basically, you keep it. Now here acceleration, for this one acceleration is basically capital small A, here in this direction acceleration happening. Why I took both the things same acceleration? Because they are telling here they are moving what? Together. So that's why common acceleration is A. Now I need to find what should be the maximum force, and let's consider this F is the maximum force here applied. Okay. So now for MB also if you see now, one downward it will be MBG gravitational force, and upward will be what? One N prime you give, that is normal reaction. Upward will be one normal reaction, that is N prime give. And this is your gravity, MBG. Actually they will balance each other, so vertical there is no motion. Here also vertically there is no motion, whatever motion is happening, horizontally happening. Now all of you listen carefully here. So now from the free body diagram of A, what I can write from the free body diagram of A? Can you check everyone? Can I write F equal to mass of A into acceleration A, friction, and you know friction value is nothing but it is mu times N. So mu times N equal to MA into A. Now N is nothing but here, N is what basically? MAG, because vertically there is no motion, so directly you can write here N is nothing but what? N equal to MAG, vertically no motion, so total upward force equal to downward force will happen there. Now all of you listen here, this is also MA. Now here A can cancel, right? MA and can cancel, yes or no? Now acceleration is called how much coming? Mu times G. So now if the objects are moving together, then its acceleration is how much basically? Acceleration is mu G. Now same acceleration for this also. Now here something we can do, what we can do here, for a free body diagram, whatever we are doing for B. In the B, if we will apply Newton's law, F minus F equal to what? MBA. Now F equal to nothing but what? MBA plus F. Now MBA plus F is nothing but what it is? Mu times MAA into G. And A value also directly you can substitute here. What is A value tell? Mu G. A value is mu G. Now you can take mu G common here. Now what coming here? MA plus MB. So this is your, I consider this one as maximum force, so I can write it as maximum force. So maximum force can be applied on this B so that both will move together. Is how much coming? Mu G into MA plus MB. Mu G into what? MA plus MB. So this is what you are getting here. So this is what question is asked here. So you did free body diagram of A, for that one you wrote some equations. Free body diagram of B, and you wrote some equations. And here these two equations you are solving, and you are getting the answer for what? F max. You are getting answer for F max. Okay. So if A, B values are given, and you can find what is your F max. Mu value given also, G value given, now you can find. Now remember one more thing here. If star mark you can write, if your applied force, okay, if your applied force is greater than F max, let me write here. If applied force is equal to or less than F max, then then both blocks will move together. Okay, both blocks will move together. If your applied force is what happening? Now less than equal to F max, whatever F max you got here. Okay. Now if that is not happening, if applied force greater than F max, then both will move separately. Both blocks will move separately. If they move separately now, then their acceleration will be separate acceleration. A1, A2 acceleration will happen. Okay. So remember, if the applied force is less than equal to F max, then both blocks will move together. If applied force greater than F max, then both blocks will move separately. And when they move separately, so remember your acceleration A1 and A2 will be different values. Okay.